Hello, and welcome to Brighte. We're on our mission to make paying easy because we understand that upfront costs can often be a barrier when bringing sustainable and comfortable homes to life. This is why we've created our finance solutions. Crafted so you can focus on what you do best, your trade. We help thousands of Aussies access a brighter future today with our leading on-the-spot finance platform offering residential households with finance solutions for their home and energy improvements. Our finance options mean your customers can buy today and pay their purchase off over time, which is why we are driven to provide a fast, transparent and secure way to help you process, transact and maximise your sales. To help achieve this, we have designed 3 different payment solutions with you and your customers in mind. For your customers, this includes Brighte's 0% interest payment plans, allowing your residential customers to buy from you today and pay Brighte back over time for their home and energy improvements. We also offer the Brighte Green Loan and the Brighte Personal Loan, which are competitive unsecured loans offering your customers longer terms to pay off their home and energy upgrades. For more information, visit our website brighte.com.au/partners or give us a call on 1300 274 448. 1300 Brighte with an E. You can also drop us a line by emailing customer support@brighte.com.au.